So today we're gonna program a new key to this Smart 450. So we go ahead in Mercedes-Benz offline software. This is AVDI to cable, special function and adaptation for Smart. We turn ignition on. So this is super easy, just click key teach in, press the start button. So here we have the whole procedure, but once we press yes, we will see every step of it. So just press yes. Now it's connecting to the sun module, so ignition off. We gotta press the lock button twice on each key. So this is the original, 1, 2, and here's the second one, 1, 2, and ignition on. We have 10 seconds left, and just wait a bit more and it will be done. So successfully done. Press OK, and now let's try. So it does open, and this is the original one that wasn't working before, and now it does. So just check the car. Easy as that.